The Script Manager and UpdatePanel controls enable you to add AJAX functionality to your pages automatically, without needing to write any JavaScript code. To begin this lesson, open the StableBase project from your Sample Files folder. And open default.aspx in Design View. This page contains a simple label control that displays news items. You made this page functional in Lesson 8.2. Now add a Script Manager control to the page. You'll find it in the AJAX Extensions category of the toolbox. Place it just before the Label News control. The Script Manager control automatically generates JavaScript code to enable AJAX functionality. A Script Manager control needs to be present on the page in order for the UpdatePanel control to work. Along with the Script Manager and UpdatePanel controls, you'll notice a few others. The Script Manager proxy control is only needed when a Script Manager control exists in the master page, as only one Script Manager control may exist on a page. The Timer control enables you to set up scheduled automatic updates. You'll use the Timer control in Lesson 8.5. The Update Progress control appears when an UpdatePanel control is in the process of updating. This is useful to display a "Please wait" message if the update may take some time. Now set the ID property of your new Script Manager control to Script Manager News, and add an UpdatePanel control to the page just after the Script Manager News control. The UpdatePanel control must be placed after the Script Manager control, or it may not work correctly. An UpdatePanel control creates an area of the page that can be updated using AJAX without refreshing the page. Set the ID property of your new UpdatePanel control to UpdatePanel News. Now you're going to move the Label News control inside the UpdatePanel control. To do this, click the Label News control to select it, and then click and drag the control into the box marking the UpdatePanel control. Now that the Label News control is inside the UpdatePanel control, it is possible for it to be updated without refreshing the page. Add a button control to the UpdatePanel control now. And set its ID property to Button Update News, and its text property to Update News. Now add a click event handler to the new button control. And add the following code to the new event handler. Using StableBase data context, data equals new StableBase data context, var news items equals data.news news.select, news, lambda, news.newsText, label news.text equals empty, for each string news item in news items, label news.text plus equals news item plus an HTML break tag. This code will retrieve the latest news items from the database and display them in the Label News control. At present, the page uses a web service to display the initial news items and then a postback to update them when the button is clicked. While this page works correctly, it would be more streamlined if you used AJAX to update the page without a postback. The UpdatePanel control can automatically implement AJAX, but it will not be able to do this until you set its Triggers property. You'll add a trigger to your UpdatePanel control in the next lesson. That's lesson 8.4. Close Visual Studio now, saving your changes if prompted. You've now completed Lesson 8.3. Create ScriptManager and UpdatePanel controls.